7 Curious Facts About the Shipping Industry. 1. Shipping accounts for 90% of world trade. 2. The largest ships can cost over $200 million to construct. 3. Worldwide only about 2% to 10% of containers are inspected. 4. It's a greener mode of transport compared to trucks, planes. 5. At any given time, there are about 20 million containers making their journey across the seas. 6. Large container ships can fit up to 11,000 containers of cargo. 7. U.S. East Coast ports in New York, New Jersey account for over 1/3 of North Atlantic trade. Thanks for watching the video. To see more about such interesting facts, visit our website. Link available below.